you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make your base all flawless. To begin with, I want to tell that before applying any type of foundation or any base product, always exfoliate your skin so you don't have any dead skin. I've already cleansed my face using Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Face Wash. Everyday face wash, exfoliating face wash, as it has minute granules. It's not that harmful. How to make your base all flawless? Let's get into the video.
So to begin with, you should always use a moisturizer before applying any kind of makeup, because it will help you in not having that patchy application. Plus, if you are of a dry family, then it wouldn't show your dry spots from your base. Leave your moisturizer for at least 10 minutes before applying your primer. Next, I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer as my primer. You should always use a primer because it creates a barrier between your face and the makeup, so that makeup doesn't get into your pores and clog it and cause pimples. Here I am using the primer wherever I have larger pores to fill in my pores. As you can see, I am working my way outwards. I am first putting it on the center of my face and then working my way outwards, as I have larger pores on the centers. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation as my base. Always use dots of foundation on your face so that it is easy to blend. I'll be using half of a beauty sponge on the half of my face, and on the other half I'll be using a blending brush, so that if you do not have a blending brush or a beauty sponge, you know how to do it. With a blending brush, I'm using circular motions to blend my foundation in. Blend your foundation as much as you can. Take time for blending. There is no hurry, because the more you blend, the more flawless your base is. Here I am using Nykaa Beauty Sponge to blend my foundation in. Here I am using tapping motion. Do not move your foundation, use tapping motion for it and blend properly. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to conceal my eyes and to highlight it as well. This is a very medium coverage concealer and it's very nice too. I'm using it under my eyes to conceal my dark circles and on the high points of my face. Also applying it on the problematic areas wherever I want to hide my marks. As you can see, I look like a ghost over here. In this also, I'll be using one side a blending brush and the other Nykaa Beauty Sponge. Again, tapping motion. Don't be harsh on your skin. Blend as much as you can. Blend it properly so that it doesn't look patchy or cakey. Blend properly. Blend as much as you can. Like blend as much. I'm taking my time and blending it properly so that I don't get any patchy effect. Next I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette. Here I'm using the banana powder in it to highlight my under eyes and to set my concealer so that it doesn't crease. If it's very important or mandatory to set your concealer, because it might crease and it will look very ajeeb. Sorry. So like I'm setting the places where I've used the concealer. Next I'm using the bronzing shade to bronze my face. Bronze and contour, I don't do harsh contouring. So to know where to contour, make this fish type of face. The way I put my hand on my face, you can do that to know the line where you have to do it. So, and I'm blending it outwards, like towards my earlobe, from my earlobe to my lip. So I'm blending it outwards towards my earlobe so that it messes up with my earlobe. I mean mixes. Next I'm bronzing my temples because I think I have large forehead. If you also think the same, then do check it out. I'm thinking something, I don't know what. Yes, I'm contouring my double chin too. Next I'm using this Maybelline Blush Studio blushing palette. It's a very nice blushing palette because you get a lot of colors as well as a highlighter with it. For blushing, I'll recommend you to smile, because when you smile, your apple of your cheeks pop out. So it's better to smile while blushing, while using a blusher. So it will be very easy for you to know where to use a blusher. It's or else you will blush the entire face and it doesn't look good. I'm blending the blusher with my contour bronzer powder because that will make it look much more natural. Next I'm using the highlighter. I'm using it on the high points of my face, like the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. I'm using the highlighter using a fan brush. You can also use a blending brush for it. Blending brush gives a more nice natural, like glowing within, not like a fan brush effect, but I like using fan brush. You can use a blending brush too. Now you can see how it is. Now I'm using a big fluffy brush to blend all my products in. I'm using the fluffy brush like randomly over my face so that I blend everything in and I don't have any harsh line of products. Next I'm using the setting spray and I'm using it on the high points of my face, and I'm pushing it in using my beauty sponge so that the base is all flawless and good looking. This is how my base looks.
If you guys liked this video, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends. Bye guys.